Okay, got to change that for that one. So I want to take that one off. Is that the right way of saying it? No, I need to change that one for that one. That's a quiet one. That's a noisy bugger. Right, so I'm going to drop it down first and then take off the power. There, you can see that there, that one there, take that off, my finger. And then we'll go from there. So I'm going to put you onto a tripod and I'll be back in a second. The sun's just come out, which is quite nice. Alright. Okay, to undo that, just push the forward and that'll bring the power down. And now we've got to get to this now. That's a bit awkward. Right, okay. So we've got to unscrew that one and then get to these. So we've got to unscrew this one first because we've got to get the pump out of the rubber holder. So what I might do is just undo that and connect it into this one, into the bottom. And hopefully we shouldn't get any leakage because we're not, the pump's not being used. We might get a little bit from here. There we go, hold on one sec. I'm going to get covered in diesel now. Cat, go away. Right, hold on. No, hold on one second. Because I've got to feed this into the rubber first. Oh my God, it's awkward. Right, okay. Oh, that rubber's gone really stiff. There we go. Right. So if I take that back out the way, and then I can feed this on, and I'll put the rubber back on afterwards. Right, 2 seconds. Here we go. Ah, well, that was a minimalist diesel spillage. Two seconds. And I want to slide the body back into the rubber mount. Oh, there we go, that's easy enough. And that's going to fit back like that. So leave it down for a second. I'll just tighten the Allen Jubilee clip back up. We might have to purge this, but we'll see. Right. Okay, undo this one. Right. Oh, I bet your arm ache. Right, so we can slide him off. There we go. Minimalist waste. Take the rubber off quick as possible. Put him back on. Ooh, he's a bit of a loose fit. That's not as tight as the other one was, so hopefully the Jubilee will bring it up nice and tight. That's awkward on down here, I tell you. I need this tight. Right. Okay, word of warning, that's a bit of a tight fit, that little one at the top here. It's not a tight fit, it's not the best, so you want to keep an eye on that, it doesn't leak. I'll do a test on that. But we might have to put something else on there, because the top one is quite narrow, the tube is really narrow compared to the bottom one. If you look at the thickness, you can see. So I'll do it the best I can. We'll now pop on the electrics, make sure it goes on the right way around, it does fit. Yeah. You know, somehow I don't even think that fits now. Oh my God. Does that fit on? I tell you what, it's not the easiest of jobs. It doesn't seem to fit very well because of the thing at the back here. The nut is a lot bigger. Okay, we will see if she fires up. Let's have a quick look. Okay, we'll give that the benefit of the doubt and make sure it is squeezed down. Bloody hell. Okay, right. Put it back in and we'll give it a test. That's the difference. That's quite a larger tube. They're both the same, whereas the top one was a lot thinner. Alright, let's fire up. Okay, so she's fired up. It's not leaking. I can see anyway, so, and it's quiet. I know we've got the exhaust going, but can you hear that? Just a very slight ticking. You alright? We'll come inside. Close the door. No. Take it right up to full power. 35. You can only hear the fan at the moment. I used to be able to hear the pump. So give it a sec. Okay, so I've dropped the temperature right back down now to 8 Celsius. So she's dropping now. I just want to hear the pump. Can't hear it at the moment. Just hear it now. Still quite loud considering. Okay, so it is quieter. I was hoping a bit more quieter than that. But what I'm going to do now is try the old pump and put it in the housing that I bought and put that in one of the diesel heaters and see how that goes on. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great. It's quieter, but I wouldn't say it's that quiet. I might change it and the position and the housing and try and make it into a different bracket or something so it's not bolted to the chassis. We'll see. Alright, take care. Thank you very much. If you did watch the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That'd be great. And we'll catch you in the next one.